Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Power your device off to avoid shorting the SIM or corrupting data. Once the phone is dark, locate the SIM tray or removable back. Use the eject tool or an unfolded paperclip straight and firm. You want the tool perpendicular to the hole. Press gently until the tray pops. If your phone has a removable back, slide it off and identify the SIM slot. This prevents damage and makes the next steps predictable and safe. Once the tray is out, make sure you hold it flat so the SIM doesn't shift or bend. Trays are thin and fragile. You remove the SIM by aligning its cut corner with the tray notch and lifting it with your finger or non-metal tweezers. You should avoid touching the gold contacts because oils and debris interfere with connection. If the card is flush, slide it gently toward the notch. If resistance occurs, stop and re-eject to avoid breaking the tray or the SIM. To finish, either replace the SIM in the tray with the gold contacts and cut corner aligned, or store it safely in an anti-static sleeve if removing permanently. You reinsert the tray gently until it clicks. Make sure it sits flush so the phone can read the card. If the phone doesn't recognize the SIM after reinsertion, reboot the device, remove and reseat the SIM, and inspect contacts. A dry microfiber cloth can remove light debris. If problems persist, try the SIM in another phone to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.